I'm going to keep my lentils.
Hard. Salad mango.
Kain tayo guys. Lunch. Tumaan na kamay.
I like the crab. Meron pa late. Oh no.
Kanina pa kami pinipuntot ng gabi.
They can't okay. What's the other stuff?
Have you
Pumpkin.
eaten crab before?
Eh?
Pumpkin.
The other stuff.
Kunin mo yung plato na naman.
Pumpkin and string beans.
Ito? Nag-eat yun ah.
Bigyan mo kay daddy mo.
No.
Ayaw niya, may ganyan.
Ayaw.
Gusto niya lang yung steam.
Yung steam.
I just
Okay.
like it plain.
Okay.
Plain. Right.
Plain
You
only.
have it plain?
The shop that had it back.
Okay.
Doon sa pinunta niyo wala?
Wala. Kasi close na. Isang shop lang yun.
You get
One
cooked
shop.
it.
Yeah. Like, ano bang tawag doon sa talaba?
Ano ba ito?
Not eating.
Can't eat that.
Can you take out like that? Out and that.
Whoa.
Take off the shell.
Like that.
Some nuggets.
Rice.
I can have some nuggets.
Eat it up. Right down.
Is it someone?
Okay, eat it up.
Like that.
And sausage here.
Like that. Ang sarap, Pete. May Mang Tomas, Pete.
Ano na mangga.
Yeah. Yummy, no? Yummy, no?
That's
Mahilig din pala tumutunod.
starting to think about.
Mahilig ka rin pala, Pete, sa crab. Kala ko hindi ka kumakain.
I eat imitation crab, remember? Yung imitation.
No.
I like that one.
A silent. A silent. I had the silent. Ah, right. We was working yesterday.
I like crab.
Did you work yesterday? Was it hot?
Crab my favorite.
1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Let's go.
More.
Yeah.
You said more?
Yan. Ipon.
With the rain, but people still in town. From these things. Where's the rain? It was a little rain last night. Nothing.
Don't worry, sir. Don't worry.
Yeah, but